In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim a USDT or crypto voucher in the Binance app using Binance Points. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to make sure your voucher is successfully credited to your account. First, open the Binance app on your device and log in. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection and use your usual secure login method. If you use additional security like two-factor authentication, complete that as you normally would so you can proceed. Once you're in, head to the Rewards Hub. This is where Binance highlights promotions, points, and redeemable rewards. Inside the Rewards Hub, look for the Rewards Shop. This is the catalog of items you can redeem with Binance points, including vouchers for USDT and other cryptocurrencies. In the Rewards Shop, scroll through the available options until you find the USDT voucher or a general crypto voucher that fits what you want. You'll typically see the voucher's value, the number of points required, and any key terms at a glance. If you're unsure about your balance, your Binance points total is usually displayed within this area, so you can quickly confirm you have enough to redeem before moving forward. Tap the specific USDT voucher you want. This will open a detail page with the voucher description, the points cost, and any important terms like region availability, usage limits, and expiration dates. Take a moment to review those details so there are no surprises later. When you're ready, tap Claim or Use Points. The exact wording may vary depending on the voucher type, but both options guide you to the same redemption flow. You'll then be asked to confirm how many points you want to redeem. Check that the number is correct and tap Confirm. That's it, the USDT voucher will be credited to your account. You should see a confirmation message in the app, and the voucher will be available for use according to the terms shown on the voucher page. Some vouchers may need a short processing time, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. A few tips before we wrap up. Make sure you have enough Binance points before redeeming. If you don't, the app won't let you confirm. Vouchers can expire, so claim and use them promptly. And depending on your account settings or local regulations, some vouchers might require additional verification before they can be used. Follow these steps and you'll redeem your USDT or crypto voucher with confidence.